Did you know? There are 7 species of chickadees in North America. The well-known and adored black-capped chickadee, its look-alike the Carolina chickadee, the elusive boreal chickadee, the chestnut-backed chickadee, mountain chickadee, Mexican chickadee, and the rarest, well at least in North America and least understood of them all, the gray-headed chickadee, also known as the Siberian tit. These tiny and adorable little songbirds are known as chickadees because of their alarm call. This type of name is onomatopoetic. The word is the sound that it describes. The more dinos at the end of a chickadee call indicate increasing levels of agitation. For instance, a chickadee may end their call with just one D when a known person feels a favorite bird feeder, but a bird of prey near the feeding station would warrant many more dinos. In many Native American cultures, chickadees are viewed very positively. In Cherokee mythology, they are associated with truth and knowledge, and the arrival of a chickadee is thought to warn of danger or foretell the future. In many Plains Indian tribes, chickadees are symbols of success, and it is considered good luck to see or hear one, particularly in a dream or vision. The black-capped chickadee is the state bird of both Maine and Massachusetts. It is also the provincial bird of New Brunswick. A group of chickadees can be called a banditry of chickadees. This collective noun probably refers to the mask-like appearance of chickadee species. Their wing beats are about 27 times per second. This compares to a hummingbird's 53 beats per second in normal flight. These tiny little birds weigh less than 1/2 of an ounce. Chickadees are known to store food items like seeds or insect larvae in times of abundance. The cached food may be retrieved in leaner times. The Mexican chickadee, however, is the only chickadee which does not apparently cache food. The boreal chickadee commonly chooses cache sites on the undersides of branches, perhaps because snow covers upper surfaces, and they are rarely seen at feeders except in Alaska and Canada. In early summer, mountain chickadees are able to find and use seeds they hid during the previous autumn. Chestnut-backed and black-capped chickadees keep an eye on the food-finding success of other individuals. If one bird is doing especially well, they adapt their behavior, whereas unproductive tactics are not copied. When the temperature falls below 10 degrees, research has shown that the survival rate of chickadees almost doubled when they had access to feeders. This resulted in an overall higher winter survival rate of 69% versus a 37% survival rate for populations without access to feeders. These little birds can gain as much as 10% of their body weight each day and lose it all again during a cold winter night. The human equivalent of this would be a 165-pound man spending a frigid night outside and emerging 15 or so pounds lighter in the morning. Black-capped and Carolina chickadees look so much alike that the birds themselves may have a hard time telling each other apart. Their range overlaps one another, so sometimes they hybridize. Offspring of a mixed pair sing a song that is 3 notes long. That's 1 less note than the Carolina parent and 1 more note than the black-capped parent. The black-capped generally sings out a fa-bee call, while the Carolina sings a fa-bee fa-bay. The offspring of the mixed pair can also sing both songs. Mountain chickadees tend to nest inside hard-walled trees, which are safer from predators. It is thought that this may be why they incubate their eggs almost a full week longer than their near twins, the black-capped chickadees, do. The mysterious gray-headed chickadee can be found across most of northern Europe and Asia at the northern extent of the boreal forest, where it is known as the Siberian tit. The only place the gray-headed chickadee can be found in North America is northern Alaska, and a few records from the Yukon Territory. We know, surprisingly, very little about this chickadee. In fact, the little information that can be found in birds in North America came from better-known populations in Scandinavia and Siberia. This is where we draw our information of the gray-headed chickadee. Because it lives in the remote area of northern Alaska and northwestern Canada, it's a difficult bird to see, let alone study. Determined birders have to travel by bush plane or wilderness road in order to hopefully find it, and even then it's not certain they will. However, people in Scandinavia don't seem to have the same trouble with seeing this bird. In fact, many people from there say that the bird is quite a curious and friendly one. That's all for this episode, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If I've missed any other interesting facts about chickadees, feel free to comment below. I love learning about birds, and new information is always appreciated. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks!